Hello guys, Pero again. Welcome to Dalmatian Tile. Niko's gonna do a little video of me, what I do today. These jobs are very delicate. To be honest, I don't like doing it after somebody else's mistake. The client, Matt, is good client and I wanna help out. Basically, somebody did a tile on a pan and it was loose and it all started popping out and there was no slope. Water was sitting there. And they just put some kind of plastic on top, doesn't leak. Then I gotta demo out, put a new slope on top and use a red guard, and that's kind of liquid for waterproofing. And then put a new tile on top. A new tile, oh boy. These are little mosaics. It's basically all glass, 100% glass, holding by little mesh. Very hard to cut on a saw. Very, it's all glass. You can chip, you can bleed easily with this. But anyway, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a little grout, and that's it. Another little job done.